All right, today we're going to test the batteries on a camper. So the same principles apply. It's 12 volts. This uses two 6-volt batteries wired in series to make 12 volts, but the theory is the same. It's still 12 volts, total system. We're going to test these batteries before we go on a long trip, make sure that we have the battery capacity that we need while we're traveling. So we're going to take our Ucanic Volt Check Pro, and we're going to connect it to these batteries the way they're wired in the camper. Our negative goes to our negative terminal, which is grounded to the chassis. And our positive goes to the positive terminal of the other battery, which goes to the power flow into the RV's electrical system. So we're going to do the same thing. Our system works the same. It's a 12-volt battery. All right, we're going to do a fast test first. All right, if we combine the cold cranking amps of both batteries, we come up with 800. So that's where we are. 800 cold cranking amps. All right, and here's our test results here. So we have 800 amps is what we're rated at. 617 is where it measured. 52% state of health and a 92% state of charge. And at the bottom here, you see it says battery slightly inferior. And that means our batteries are starting to get weak. Does it mean that they need to be replaced right now? Maybe not. But they are starting to show some weakness. I'm going to back out of this and we're going to run the standard test, which is a little bit more involved. We're a regular battery. These are lead acid batteries. They're not AGMs. We're going to go to cold cranking amps again. Engine off. 800 cold cranking amps. There we are again. 800 is the rating. 615 is where we're testing. 52% state of health and a 92% state of charge. Again, battery slightly inferior. So now we've tested this battery twice, 2 different ways, and we're seeing that these batteries are starting to get weak. So maybe we should start thinking about replacing them. Now the batteries aren't bad, but they're getting weak. And that's what inferior means. We just saved ourselves a little bit of headache while traveling. If I'm going on a long trip and I want to make sure that I have enough battery to get me where I'm going to run my accessories in my trailer, such as my refrigerator and things like that, I'm going to replace these batteries before I leave. I could have taken this to an RV center and had them test it. Probably would have cost me $50 for them to test it, and then whatever the cost of the batteries are to replace it. I saved a little bit of money by doing this myself with the Ucanic Volt Check Pro. I'm going to replace the batteries myself, save some money there, and then we'll be on our way. So I hope this video helped you. I hope you learned something from it. We'll have other videos on how to use the Volt Check Pro. Check them out. You can do it. We can help.